always say it. I'm gonna say it again. Everybody should own a J-200. Okay, and I love J-200s, and you know that, and you know I love the blingy ones. Not everyone does. You don't have to. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to own one. But this one is pretty cool. Welcome, by the way, Quentin here, Paul here, Music Villa, and this one is really cool though. This is a J-200. We call it a double vine. Okay, they've made these in the past, and this one is just one that we had custom built for the store. Beautiful sunset burst finish. And instead of just a single layer of vine, you can see it's all double bound. The vine is double in the pickguard.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
And it's a J-200, so it just has that.
It's big.
It's big.
You ever, so maybe this is a weird analogy, but if you've ever thrown a rock into a creek, and then sometimes it's like you throw it in, it's like sploosh.
Yep.
And then sometimes you throw it into the deep water and it goes sploosh.
Yep.
That's what this
That's
is
what
like.
that one does. I agree.
That's because it's like, there's depth there. There's depth.
And when you play this one, and when you play it, because you have a certain style of play. If I hand you a Martin D28, you're going to play some bluegrass. And when I hand you this, you just automatically play different stuff. Yeah.
I want to play like an old Hank Williams.
Yeah. Yep. I call it like the Sunday afternoon guitar, you know. There's not much else to say about it. It's just a beautiful guitar, very limited. We actually have two of these. This is the first one, and we're getting another one. And other than that, they're rarely available.
So it's a big guitar, so you gotta lean over it. It's almost like playing a big body jazz guitar. Not that I do that a lot, but it has that sense. And I feel this retro feel with these cool little appointments, like you're not exactly sure, maybe Imperial something. Somebody can correct us out there with the style, but you see these. I associate this with more traditional.
The reason we make mistakes in these videos, Quentin, we make mistakes is because we want to get people engaged in helping us.
It's just bait.
So for you
to offer comments, whether it's the way Paul looks or my beard or the
chewing gum.
Right. All it is just trying to push buttons to make people try and leave comments. So let us know what your buttons are. We're happy to push them.
Yep.
Otherwise,
let's hear this thing.
Just feel free.
Were you saying something? Sorry.
I always
cut you off, too.
Yeah, you always see the guy on the right. He's always rushing the other guy.
I know. Well, sometimes I know you have to go pick up your kids.
I do. I got to go pick up my kids.
So anyways, let's go. Let's go to the end. Thanks, Quentin. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
I just want to hang on the slow E.
Yeah. This is cool.